In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up hotkeys in the settings here on the ProjectX Top 1 Futures platform and how to enable them and utilize them in your trading. Let's jump straight into the charts. So here we are on the Top 1 Futures ProjectX platform. This is not Topstep X. This is Top 1 Futures. If you guys are interested in checking this out, I'll link it right here. Use code RDF. You can go straight to sim funded, no evaluation. Code RDF for real deal futures for the best deals. So let's go ahead and check this out together. You would come over here to the settings option to be able to set up and enable the integrated hotkeys, which is really, really sweet, right? Very, very simple setup, right? You're going to utilize keys on your keyboard that you set custom to be able to do a number of different actions on the chart. It's going to be very helpful if you're scalping or if you're just somebody who wants to utilize hotkeys. So essentially what you would do is come over to that settings button, again, left side, selecting the hotkeys tab. And then what you're going to do is set the hotkey itself, right? So you would come over here and hit the hotkey that you want to set. For example, buy market. And I actually give you some of my settings here. I have this set up as Q for buy market over on the left-hand side. Sell market, I'm hitting the button on my keyboard right now, and that enters it, and then I would just hit confirm, right? So again, that's essentially what you do, going line by line. You could set up all of these different actions, right? And it would essentially be utilizing that keyboard to make that action instead of clicking a button. Again, can be helpful for getting in and out of trades quickly. Now, once you do have that set up, nothing will actually happen until you come over here and hit enable hotkeys. So this is kind of a fail-safe, right? Because if you have, these hotkeys set up on your keyboard and no order confirmations, which you can also set in the settings, just coming back over here real quick, I want to show you that. You can show order confirmations, but that's not set by default. This is your on and off button for hotkeys, right? So most of the time you're going to want to leave this off, right? You don't want to accidentally be, on the wrong screen, hit a button, and all of a sudden you're marketing into NQ with 10 contracts, right? This is going to enable or disable. So as I click that, when it turns orange like that, that's enabled. That means hotkeys are ready to go. When I push the button, it's going to do whatever that action is. If I want to disable it, I would just go ahead and click that again. If you do enable hotkeys, I would definitely be cautious. I would make sure you always disable it whenever you're done. I've made the mistake myself. I try really hard not to, but I do like using hotkeys. They can be helpful, again, if you're scalping somewhat high frequency, or you just want to be able to go to break even quickly. Like some of these are pretty sweet, right? Having a break even button on your keyboard, like maybe price is moving kind of fast, you want to just be able to jump right to break even, or a cancel all button. Maybe you do want to have a flatten all button to just quickly be able to get out of something, smash the the eject button and get out. So that's going to be setting up hotkeys here on the ProjectX platform. Again, be cautious with this. Make sure you do click and utilize that enable hotkeys and disable hotkeys when you are done. If you guys have any questions, throw them in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel. Check out all the rest of the videos in this series. Join me trading live straight from this platform almost every day, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, right here on YouTube. And remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I'm just an idiot here on YouTube. Trading's risky. Most traders do lose money. Make sure you do your own research. Make your own trading decisions. Read CFTC Rule 4.41 on simulated trading, which is what this is, even in funded prop firm accounts, and the affiliate and partnership disclaimer that says I stand to make money from links in my content. See you guys trading live soon.